Today I'm sharing with you how are the folks who have the day number 5 and destiny 5. Their personality, their relationship, their money, their career, and some tips on the lucky numbers. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. In this series on day number and destiny number, so far we have covered for day 1 and destiny 1, day 2 and destiny 2, day 3 and destiny 3, day 4 and destiny 5. And today is day 5 and destiny 5. So who are the folks when I refer to day 5? If you're born on 5th, 14th or 23rd of any given month. In numerology, you're called day 5. Now, if you add your entire date of birth and you get number 5, then again, your destiny is 5. Now, so 5 is associated with number 5, the planetary influence of Mercury. So 5, twice the presence of number 5, it immediately hints that these are smart people. They are very good in communication, sharp, quick presence of mind and witty. Now before I share further, quickly hit the subscribe button and give us your like. Don't forget to share as well. Let me know after watching this episode what was your favorite tip. Now you may have noticed that how when someone is sick, you measure the fever by the thermometer. It has mercury. So what is mercury? The temperature rises, temperature falls. Quick speed is critical to them. They don't like to sit idle. They always want something new or adventure in their life, and they thrive on that kind of atmosphere. But at the heart level, they are like a child. They love travel, will do everything, but they find that comfort when they are back in their own zone. Having 5, you are blessed. It's a very lucky combination. You will find respect, name and fame in the society. Now, does that mean you won't work hard? Then I'm sorry, there is no magic wand. You do work hard. Few of my suggestions of what I have observed with personality 5, they make some mistakes early on in the life and then they learn from those mistakes. It brings them maturity. They do go through multiple breakups, but the company is key for their success. Who are they surrounded by? If they appreciate and find support from their parents or their friends or their spouse, they really succeed. And once they have the stable relationship, they really grow in life as well. Overall, company is critical because whatever the environment they are in, whatever is being fed to them, they kind of expand that one. They spread that, they expand it. So if they are in a bad company or a negative company, they might find themselves in a legal soup, or they get involved into wrongdoings or cheating or forgery or having multiple affairs. They do go through breakups, yes, but in terms of relationship, once they settle, they're supportive and loyal. But again, even in relationship, they would not like to be bossed. They do not like micromanagement. Their way of showing their love is by being loyal. They will go above and beyond, but they do not like to be micromanaged. That is very important. And other thing I'll say, as they evolve, as they mature in life, they really appreciate more of what they have. But having 5, they do go through either their marriage is delayed or they have issues in having a baby in their life. But then after some time the issues are gone, but there is a delay and trouble with one of those areas. Having 5 also indicates that you will be really good with your finances and money because 5 is flow. You will do good in careers of communication, speaking, media, even politics, writing. That will do you really good. Even being in a CPA, chartered accountant or numerologist, astrologist. Think of wherever the numbers are, even in the share market, even in the crypto industry, Bitcoin, they will do good. So overall, even in business or communication industry, they do really well, or even in the commission side, the franchise owners, they will do good. In terms of numbers, if they use 1 and 6 and 5 and try to be mindful of using them during the time they start a new business or the important meetings, it's good. Try to avoid 2. Now, let me be clear. I'm not asking you not to have a friend of these numbers. All I'm saying is when you're investing in your business, just be cautious around number 4, 7, 8, and 9. If you observe that these numbers are bringing you some struggle, then just try to be mindful. But overall, always be careful about the legal documents or any document you are signing. And I'm saving you here from a huge trouble. The one famous name that comes to mind with the 55 is Mark Zuckerberg. He's born on 14th May, so day is 5. If you add his entire date of birth, that also gives you 5. Now, another thing that made him successful, yes, Facebook and hard work, but it's also the number 5 in the month. Not often I come across a number which has 3 5s. Overall, 55 is lucky, very lucky. Success, name, fame, you will find easy. Family support. Sooner you become practical, realistic, and appreciate support in life, sooner you will find success. Now, everything I shared might not relate with you, but I am curious to know what part of this episode resonated with you. Now, a few of my suggestions. Wear light colors, especially on Wednesday and Saturdays. Avoid non-vegetarian meals and alcohol. On Wednesdays, try to bring some green. Green you should use, but not too much of green and not dark green or even any other dark colors. To you, your mental health is important because if you are in the right mindset, you feel so energized and you're full of ideas that you feel like you can go do anything. That's important. So make sure how you are surrounded, who you are surrounded by, and you're taking care of not just your physical health, your emotional health as well. Friends is key. Having some greens on Wednesday, green smoothies or even light green in your clothing will do you really good. Appreciate the support you have in your life, but do realize that the initial breakups that you go, you learn a lot of things from your mistakes and that helps you mature. Overall, a very lucky combination. I'm looking forward to your comments to see if you are 55 and what part of this episode resonated with you. I'll see you soon. You take care.